Town for Lover, guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. Welcome back to another midweek episode. Special fatalo for our Ainga members. Hope everyone's doing okay. Hopefully better than us. Took a day off work today. Was feeling a bit under the weather. Body aches a lot, and then I've got a bit of fever in the morning, so I thought I might as well take the day off and recuperate. But we're just gonna go with Siave here to take the waters to the cattle farm, and then hopefully we'll come back and cook something up for the family. See, that's one of the reasons why staying at home sick I don't like, because you have to try and make something for the family to eat. I So yeah, we're gonna quickly go to the plantation, see what we have there, then we'll come back. Me and Siave just got back as well. We went looking for fish, so we got a jack, what do you call it, leaku, skipjack tuna or something. I think that's what it's called. So we're gonna do that and get some taro, whatever we can find at the plantation. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Sorry I've been talking a lot, and we'll see you guys soon. So we've got Leuso here. Leuso is my nephew. He's here from Falealili. So we're just gonna go together to the cattle farm. It's been a long time since he was here, as he's mostly at Falealili, so it's good to have him back. But also we're gonna head together to the cattle farm now. Oh yeah? Hey. Alright guys, so we're back here with Diogo. If you guys remember in our old episodes with Ekewaki, Leuso used to be here. But yeah, it's good to have him back, so we're just going to head to the cattle farm now, and then we'll come back afterwards. Those guys that have just walked by, they're very falongka. That's why it's always they're always the last ones to come here. Alright guys, so now that finished pouring the water, we're just gonna grab some taro, and might as well check the banana that we left if it's ready. Right, so we're just gonna quickly walk over to where the other banana was. This entire plot we're hoping to replant in the next maybe 2 to 3 months. Just depends on how quickly we can gather our boys to plant them, so that's one of the reasons why there's still a bit of delay. But we're also looking to bring the electric fence around here so that we can utilize the cows for the grass. There she is. Looks good.
Huh?
Yeah, that looks good. We're gonna grab this. Ay may mangulungan sa iyo. We're a bit late to the party. The birds got to it first, but we've got some good bananas here, so we'll use that.
Yeah.
Oingo chave. Ngari ai ngari kai fa ipiku ngoro au fa. Right, so we've got the banana. I'll probably grab one or maybe two taros. One should be okay. Yeah, we'll grab one. Just for the taro eaters. Now there's a specific taro here I really wanted to try that I saw was quite well and ready to harvest. I see it now. There we go. See that black one there? It's the one. I wanted to try this one because I've heard it's really mapo. So this is a uli. Still want to try it. Right, so this is another uli of that same taro. It's probably been over a year, this one, so you can tell because it still has the circular shape. Had it been a planted taro, there would be another bulb at the bottom, but it still retained the shape, which means it's a uli. So we'll take this as well. Reason why I wanted to take these black ones, because I've heard they're really good and taste really well, so we're gonna put it to the test and see if it holds up. All right, let's head home. Even though we're at the farm, it's always good to obey traffic rules, especially at 3 corners. I also remember that someone asked about the parking brake lights that's on when I'm driving. One of the wires, it's faulty at the moment, so the parking brake still works, but I think it's the ABS wire. I'm not sure if that's correct, but it's one of those that's doing the damage at the moment. That's quite faulty at the moment, so that's why it comes on even though the parking brake is not engaged. See, it's off now. It'll come back on every now and then. But the bananas fell because of the strong wind, so we're gonna have to plant them again, replant them. Also, finally, we've got a clean umukuka. So everything looks nice and neat now. All right, so we're just finished scraping the taro, that black one I told you guys about. It looks really nice. I'm really interested. We didn't do the other green one, this one, because I don't want it to get mixed up. But we'll definitely do a taste test. I really want to try this. But to the bananas now. So they're getting the coconut ready for the fish. We're gonna do a suaku, and then the saka. Remember, if we do a suaku or anything with coconut cream, we don't fa'alifu the saka. If we fa'alifu the saka, then we don't add coconut cream to any other side dish. It's just what we've been taught. But yeah, let's hurry up now. Okay, guys, so we haven't added in the bananas yet. We have to wait for the taros to just about cook, and then we add in the bananas because the bananas are fairly quick. quick check. I think it should be okay in about 10 minutes, but we'll check now.
Yep. Lew ko nga le lava ia ulo. Kapung ia ulo. So lew kapung i le tray le ulo. It's cool. It's nice. I like it. Oh. It carried almost ready. Probably 10 minutes. Right, family, over la. Masaka ma.
Alright guys, so we'll finally come to the end of the episode. I'm just going to show you our food. Then I guess we'll finish it off. Alright, got our suave from the suaita. Got our bananas there. Our taro. And our fish. Oh, it's the head of the fish. So nice. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Yeah, guys, really excited. This is like one of my favorite dishes of my childhood. Sometimes we wouldn't have a piece of the fish, but if you had the suave, it's all you needed. Sometimes it was just the suave and kalo, suave and rice, but this is the go-to one. This fish was surprisingly $20. That's quite expensive, but you know, it's just hard thinking that you grow taro for 8 months and then you sell a bundle, which is probably like 6 to 8 for $20. Whereas the fish, you know, it's in the sea, you just catch it, but you know, dangerous. So, you know, I guess it all plays out well in the end. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I really enjoyed making it as well. I'm gonna have dinner now with the family. If you've enjoyed the episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.